was our daughter Brittany's youngest that we lost. So we had 4,998 bikes show up to us. Count the police officers that let us out, we had 5,000 bikes. So any of y'all that rode, we cannot say enough. My heart's like beating out of my chest right now, but how much that meant to our family and to Brittany. And she couldn't be here today, and she's I guess about as good as y'all can imagine she's doing right now, day by day. We about have her in a permanent house right now and living on the other babies, and that's about all we can do. But we love y'all, and I just want to say thank y'all for all the support and love and everybody that's given donations to her, furniture, money donations, just being there for us, having somebody to talk to if we need to call somebody. And I love our Forbidden Shields family. Love you guys.
I've never had to pull a microphone up for me.
Just got into town about this place.
Yeah, well,
Sounds like they have a
all I
situation
got what's
on the
left
side.
of me today.
Goes to the court.
I'll tell you, we had Kid Rock's son got married last night.